Duarbaguri MSC constituency under Deithor mini stadium playground along third inter MSC football tournament Surini Rankora Plipen Inkora Po apharman Kichengpo. Bangso third inter MSC football tournament Pathu Ponalong Aluhi Sarpo Manapeng Pen Kachitong Dunlake Duarbaguri VDC chairman Sarko Rungphar Chopha Pangjang Alohiatum Kachitong Dunlake Duarbaguri block chairman Sonjoy Tiran Deithor municipal board vice chairman Sikari Tirang, Deithor police station OC Pratap Sinar, Dolamara municipal board chairman Mongol Singh Tirang, Duarbaguri BJP Mohila Morcha president Kachi Singnar P Lapen, Deithor BJP local committee Daniel Rong P Penchinglo, BJP long Klembang Phubang Piatum Chitongdun. Lapen Sochengdenta Sports Association President Secretary Nilip Sports Association Divinson Wanghang Tum Chitongdun Linti Lapen Team Karbianglong Dr. Tuliram Wanghang Kichari Pon Mate Nun Kachin Thurmi Ove Kimya Tumaphan Sports Ahimke Kipaprang Dunang Ji Pumatha Ponsi Inkora Trok Constituency Longta Kidam Tang Surinira Inkora Himi Pen First Inter MSC Football Tournament Pangching Ponsi Piming Anke Third Inter MSC Football Tournament Am Kichoklu Lason si Inkora Trok Constituency Tinta Pathu Pondo Lasi Deithor mini stadium playground alongta Duarbaguri Lapen Sochengdenta Pensi Pathu Pondo Lapen team Sochengdenta Tum Kithek Mucholajok Team Duarbaguri Tumaphan Himya Go Pen Paremlo Lapen Bangso third inter MSC football tournament ki Pathu ke houses pon lake Team Duarbaguri Tum Pensi houses ponlo Lapen referee Mate ke langki chari pon lake Team Dipu Kasa Tum Pensi Pate Pipon Lapen Pathu Bamahut Kumani player Tum injured at Napu Deithor hospital team Tum ta chirap tuminti Lapen half time Mahut Deithor women Tum Pen Karbialun ki Kanta Paklang Pon Lasi Misen Pen third inter MSC football tournament Pathu Ponlo
Inkora Trok consensi long talason Pathu Ponlo Lasi pini Duarbaguri tame pini Cheng Ponlo Lasi loso ke Cheng Pon along dak pinangan Kitheke ding punang kitong nolo Lapen tim pini dak Sochengdenta Lapen Duarbaguri sidan Ponlo Lasi loso teng pen pini dak Khalu khela pon gadoe Mesen si theklang lo Lapen so khela TV pon ke lake Liars tumhan Ansi se kipaprang pon jepan Atheno la dak MSC Vice Pathu Pon po Labang so Pathu pen mo selection do po Kithek mo chatumhan po district level state level ason sang song nong pon mampo
Duarbaguri MSC constituency la pen Sochengdenta MSC constituency la hini constituency atum si Pathu Chepati pon lo la so amaya long pini litum ka chopha pon manpeng edo Karbianglong Thomas Council Education EM Sir Richard Tong bi anparta local MSC Duarbaguri MSC constituency la so adular alangli haladak ingdeng phokebra isi Karbi Cultural Society along mai ke do join nang chitong ne de lo so alar Duarbaguri VTC chairman akai Sarko Rungphar si nang chitong lo
Netum Duarbaguri pini home ground Pathu rejor hinoda 20 pen remponde setame ningo e pima netum ako apodola na penitum Osmar biek halang non ni cap ni ner cap ang bong masilana ke improve pon ningarong lo mo ke bang jilang lan so se la so sumar ke thai phanon ke Pathu ako tingko rai si pen ingko rai thom dola nituman se bor ipon pon next ke hai phan chorolo
News report Karbianglong Live